We are so proud. In the panel, if you can just have a seat, we're going to have a short discussions with some of the artists. Yes, good.
Before we have our discussion, Frida had made a, you can open it. She had made an Oscar for the students made out of marzipan. Wow! And yeah. And I want to give this to all the students, but I want to give this to, when we had our first meeting, I asked all the students who wanted to be a filmmaker, who wanted to be a director. And it was really Birker who put up his hand and said, I want to be a director, I want to be a filmmaker.
Thank you all for coming here today. Here in the panel, we have 3 artists that work on the project.
I don't really know what to say because I didn't prepare myself. But if you want to listen to me for an hour again, I thought it was beautiful.
I am an artist with a disability, however you want to define me. My favorite quote from a TV series is, "Yeah, I'm not drunk, I have cerebral palsy."
Þá langar mér bara að þakka kærlega fyrir komuna